time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Yes, it will. What up, you my best beautiful people. Are you guys doing? Another day, another beautiful day. Yes, it is. Because of you guys, waxaa soo dirtiin I'm gonna react laakiin dadkiina oo maaragtay hebel iska soo dhaay war hebel ana wax ma ku react gareeyay waxaa rabtid linkiga ama heesta rabtid magaceedo soo dirso hebel kun hebel ay jirto awoogiis hebel la dhaha ilaa una xariisto hebel ka rabtid linkiga soo dir ama heesta ka rabtid. But anyway guys, I got another thing. Qof baa wuxuu ii soo diray maanta another brand new song. This is the first time I'm gonna watch this song. Yes, it calls Kiin Jamac Yare. Heestii waxaa la dhahaa Bismillah. Musqul ma u baahna musqul musqusha marka lagu jiro la dhahaa. Anyway guys, heestii waxaa la dhahaa magaceeda It's a brand new song, official music video. So anyway guys, are you ready? Let's get it rolling. Alright. Papa. Where? I like it والله العظيم. واه عيل غوى على تكل استعب عيل بحر يجوك باي باشا عيل غوى على تكل. It's like he said انت داوني one of the half كان انت يراك اركاد one of the best like video اسمه يستوى كان كي سمي أدر واديار صنطحي كل إلا وها غرب على الفيديو. كين جامع I just like your style bio. I don't know why you are very fit. I don't know that قارو هذا كي وقاون تاكين ودير تبارون كه the way you look like perfect. I like it. كل إلا bio. Let's get it on guys. Well, everything is so classic, baby. Tala wa mesha dan. Adun. See the way she's standing, you know, even lips feel she's very good. alaabta indhaha macnaheeda ma taqaanaan ma idin sheega alaabta indhaha meesha la marsado inshallah waa idin soo sheegaa next video alaabta indhaha korka la gashta is perfect. Let's get it on guys. She makes me smile. Oh. Ayaya. Baba. Wallahi billah ninki ku diido doqon waay. Baba. Actually, the songs actually. Madam Latino, Madam Perfectiano. I don't know which language that, but I will call it Perfectiano. It's so perfect actually. The way it will be sent, the way, the style, the hair, the eyelash, the hostile, everything is so perfect. One of the best weird Kraken. Heestii samayso dhan videogan. It's actually class. Very nice. But anyway guys, I'm gonna give Kiin Jamac. You see, I can see you baby. It's right here. You see right there. Kiin Jamac, talk to me face to face. I'm gonna review my eyeglass. Can you see me baby? The song I'm telling you is one of the best. I'm gonna give you 10 over 10. The video 10 over 10. Aku sorry. Miraha iyo waxaan ba fahamsan laakiin 9 over 10 iska see. See you the next episode guys. If you don't forget right here, I'm gonna eat your freaking fry. You got me?